Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to scan any QR code using your iPhone in two different methods here. It's going to be pretty straight and simple forward for you guys, step by step, show you guys how to exactly do that. But before we go ahead and get started with today's video, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news reviews and giveaways, so make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also, if you guys are in the market for one of these phenomenal devices at a discounted price, make sure you guys check out the links in the description section. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do, of course, is make sure your phone is at the latest iOS update. So what you want to do is simply open up settings. So as you can see here, we open up settings. Once you open up settings, you're going to want to scroll to general, and once you're in general, you want to go to about and look at the software version that you have. You want to make sure you're on iOS 13 or later. This is going to work with iOS 13 or later, but if you're on an older version, go ahead and check out on this software update to see if there's any updates available. If there is, go ahead and download and install that update. Once you have done that, we're ready to move on to the second part of this, which is going to be stolen settings. This time you're going to want to go down all the way till you find the camera settings. You're going to click on the camera here. Once you click on the camera here, you're going to notice a couple options here. You're going to want to go ahead and locate the option for scan QR codes. It's going to be slightly different depending on the version of iOS that you have, but you're going to want to look for that and make sure that it is turned on. As you can see, scan QR code is turned on when it's green. If it's grayed out, that means it's turned off. So go ahead and turn that on. And once you have done that, now we're ready to actually scan any QR code. And to do that, you're going to simply want to locate your camera app on the phone or pull down the control menu here, use that camera icon. It will turn on your camera. So we're going to go ahead and turn on camera. And then you want to make sure you're on the photo settings. Once you're on your photo setting, you want to grab your QR code that you have, whether it be on wherever you have it. Simply hold it in a nice light place and then just hold it like that. And once you hold that, you're going to get a notification that pops up where it says open in one of your browser. You're going to go ahead and click that. And once you click on that, as you can see, it'll take you to the URL or the link or wherever that QR code is supposed to take you. If it's for an app, whatever the case may be, it will go ahead and open that up. And as you can see, your favorite YouTube channel just opened up after we scan the QR code. So that's method number one. So if you're on an older version of iPhone, maybe your phone doesn't get the latest iOS or it doesn't go up to iOS 13, you're going to want to do this other method, which is going to be downloading a free app that can scan QR code. And to do that, you're going to go to the App Store. And once you go to the App Store, go ahead and search for QR code reader or scanner, whatever the case may be. And the first one you'll hit is this QR reader for iPhone. Simply you want to go ahead and click on that and then install. And of course, we're going to go ahead and enter our password here so we can go install that app. And as you can see here, it's going to go ahead and start installing the app here. So once you do that, make sure you have enough space on your phone. So you're going to have to give it maybe 10 to 15 seconds. This is a pretty small app. It should be pretty quick and fairly easy to use. Once you have that, go ahead and open that app up and we're going to get this menu. You're going to want to just skip through all of that. And this is the Pro version. We don't need all of that. And you can do it for free. So simply you want to give access. So you're going to go to settings. Here, you're going to want to go ahead and give access to that app if it doesn't have the access. So you're going to go to locate that app here. And let's see here. QR reader. Make sure it has access to the camera. As we saw, we accidentally turned that off. And then you're going to search for that QR code app that was downloaded on your phone. And once, as you can see here, it's going to be something like this. And then you're going to hold the code up, and this time it will take you again to the same page. And that's how you go about scanning a QR code if you don't have iOS 13 or 14. So hopefully this video was helpful. If this video is helpful, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And of course, as always, guys, if you guys have questions or any comments, leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.